Alright, so this is testing the surround sound capabilities of the Astro A50 Gen 3 headset. It is not testing my gameplay capabilities, so please leave those comments to yourself. Just kicking a dog while it's down, really. I know I'm not very good. This is a good game to test it with, though. So right now it's just in stereo mode. And I can tell where sounds are coming from pretty clearly.
Back from the grave.
And so yeah, it's pretty clear. I'm gonna get back in that fight here and see if that stays the case.
Repositioning.
Yeah, like I'm turning around to try to... Yeah, you're definitely getting good positional audio. I do not have Atmos enabled in the game right now. I would recommend that in most cases, but I'm trying to see how the headset stands on its own without any software tricks or anything. But usually I would recommend Atmos. Oh, that was dumb. Alright, well. Oh, he grabbed me. Oh, hacked. Anyway. So yeah, I could definitely tell where people are coming from. I'm going to turn on the surround sound mode now. Okay, so the surround sound mode, oh, it just sounds really echoey. I really don't like this. It makes the sound less crisp. Ready? Oh, crud. Anyway, interesting. Yeah, so I would say it's... To me, it sounds harder to locate people. And it's because of that weird reverb effect that got enabled along with the surround mode. So, yeah, I don't know exactly what they call it, but it's the Dolby surround headphone mode or whatever they call it. Every brand has its own branding on that, it seems like. But this one, not very good. I mean, I can tell where things are, but it seems more muddled than stereo even. So what's the point, you know? If stereo is better, then why even bother with a feature like this? And honestly, for the most part nowadays, I would enable the Windows Sonic, maybe, or the Dolby Atmos if you want to buy that. Those simulate 7 virtual speakers, and so I think it gives you... Personally, I like that the most. It seems to give the best positional audio, in my opinion. So yeah, on this headset, I'd really say don't buy it for the virtual surround capabilities. It's bad, but it is really good on stereo. So if you enable something like Dolby Atmos in Overwatch or in Windows, you should be pretty happy with this. All right, thank you.